everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be, is it worth the splurge? I have never done one of these before. I've done anti-hauls before, but I haven't really talked about products that were worth the money that you're spending for them. I've got 7 products that I feel were really worth the money for me that I purchased. One was given to me in a gift bag when I went to LA, but I would definitely spend the money to repurchase it if I didn't already have it in my collection. So if you want to see what products I'm talking about, just keep on watching. And a lot of these products look like they've never been touched. They have. I've definitely played with them quite a bit. I love them so much and I know how expensive they are, so I definitely use them sparingly. So if you're looking at this like she never uses these products, I really do. I just use them very sporadically because I really love them, but I want them to last. So the first product I'm talking about that I feel was worth the splurge for me, and I've seen really wonderful results from it, is the Urban Decay Self-Adjusting Complexion Primer. It looks like this. This one says that it has adjusting pigments. It has a soft focus effect as well as a shine control, which is great. I do get oily a little bit in my T-zone, but the rest of my face is dry, so this is wonderful because it just adjusts to what your skin is going through. If you're combination skin, this is fantastic. I love it because it does have a blurring factor as well. It feels like you have a filter on all the time. It's what I have on today. I love this primer. I'll put on my hyaluronic acid moisturizer and then I will go ahead and put this on after that sinks into my skin. I just love this product so much. It's so amazing the way that it just formulates on your skin and the way that it blurs out everything. It's fantastic. I am sensitive too, and it doesn't break me out, which is wonderful. So if you have sensitive or very hypersensitive skin, this would be good for you as well. So the next product I'm going to be talking about today is the Wonder Flash Focus Hydrating Foundation Stick in Light. It looks like this. This one is almost dead. I've got to get myself another one. I love this foundation. It goes on so smooth, and I put it over my primer and I just buff it out, and it settles well. It doesn't settle into any fine lines. It doesn't give me a whole lot of streaking. It doesn't oxidize on my skin. It's really, really fantastic. I have talked about this in a previous video years ago about like my wear test and things like that. I just have fallen in love with this foundation over and over and over again. I've used it all up. I definitely need to repurchase it. It is a little bit more on the higher end, but it's worth it if you've got combination skin like myself. I feel like it is hydrating for the rest of my face, which is wonderful because I am dry everywhere, like on my chin, but I do have a little bit of an oily T-zone. So I don't feel like this gives me extra oil saturation, and what I like to do is just set it with a little bit of powder in my T-zone, and I'm usually good for the entire day. It sits well, it blends well, it doesn't oxidize. I am extremely happy with this. I love it. It's so good. If you guys have not tried Wonder Beauty, you definitely should. They have some amazing multitasking products as well that just are fantastic. They're so good, and I'm so impressed by their products. So the powder that I was talking about that I like to set my T-zone with under my eyes, it's just a great multitasker. I'm sure that you guys have heard all about this on so many other channels because it is so popular and so amazing. What I'm talking about is a Laura Mercier Loose Setting Translucent Powder, and it looks like this. I love this powder. I think it's absolutely fantastic. It does a wonderful job of multitasking in the T-zone if you're oily, underneath the eyes if you like to bake, underneath the contour as well, to kind of clean up those lines, because myself, I always go too low with my contour, so this definitely cleans that up for me. It's translucent, but it just sits so well on everybody. It's really finely milled, so it's not super chunky or cakey or anything like that, and it leaves such a nice finish on the skin. It doesn't have any blowback when you take flash photography. It's just beautiful. It's just so good, and I fall in love with it over and over and over again. The next high-end purchase that I would definitely splurge again on is the Face and Sculpt Highlight Palette from Charlotte Tilbury. It comes in this amazing case. It's super pretty, and it looks like this. I dig this color because it's just the right amount of warmth, just the right amount of cool tone on your skin. This is what I have on today. And the highlight, oh my God, the highlight. I have it in my inner corner. I have it under my brow. I have it on my cheekbone. I have it above my brow. It just looks amazing all the time. I actually have it on my nose and on my Cupid's bow. I have it all over my face because it's just that good. The contour powder is amazing for contouring your nose, which I have on today, and the hollows of your cheeks, on the hairline. It's just the perfect amount of cool and warm tone. I think it was originally designed for a celebrity. I'm not 100% sure. If you know who that is, put it in the comments below because I would love to know. I think it's J-Lo, but I might be wrong. But it's just perfect, and there's so much product. It works so well. It's highly pigmented. You can blend it out and it doesn't leave any kind of chalkiness on your skin. It doesn't patch out. It's just beautiful, and it's worth every single penny. Love this product. I have tried other products and I haven't been too happy with, but I will always go back for this. So next on the list of things that I would definitely splurge on, and this is what I got in my gift bag from LA, is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. This is what I have on my eyes today. I love this palette. It is the quintessential neutral palette. It is gorgeous. It's got some amazing matte shades. It's got some glitter shades. It's just perfect for everyone. Everyone should have a neutral palette that looks like this in their collection. I would highly recommend this palette. Any of their eyeshadows really are just pressed perfectly. They blend out beautifully. They're just smoky if you want them to be smoky. If you want high intense color, they'll give you that. They do kick up just a little bit, but again, with high intensity color like this, that is kind of the name of the game. It happens. But I love the theme of it. I love the little pops of red and the orange tones and the underbrow highlight, the highlight for the inner corner. I'm loving the pink tones, and then I love that it has a matte black. It works so well for everyone, and I love the packaging as well. I love the velvet packaging. I feel like it's very, I don't know, it's kind of sexy and high end. It just looks really nice. I am just in love with it. I have almost, not every shade on my eyes today, but a good amount of the matte shades, the inner corner highlight as with the Charlotte Tilbury in the inner corner. I have under my brow the lightest color here. I love that this palette comes with a big mirror as well. I always like to keep the tape on the mirror because it keeps it nice and clean. And it comes with a double-ended brush as well. It's a great palette. If you guys do not have any of the Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes and you're looking for a really great neutral palette, this is definitely the one to get. If you're looking for more pops of color and things like that, the Norvina one is very nice, as well as the Modern Renaissance is beautiful. I have almost all of them, and even the limited edition ones I like to pick up just because I love the formula so much. I would highly recommend this to anybody, and definitely worth a repurchase if you start panning your palettes. Let me tell you, I would repurchase this in a heartbeat. The next product I want to talk about is actually a lip liner. I never talk about lip liners like this, and I usually don't spend much on lip liners just because I feel like I go through them so quickly because I'm always wearing lip gloss or lipstick, and I always like to put a lip liner on first. But the one I'm talking about today and the color that I'm talking about today is from MAC Cosmetics, and this one is in Spice. It looks like this. Oh my goodness, I actually just repurchased this as a brand new one. I just used it today. I love the color of this. I think it's absolutely beautiful. It's very universal. Any skin tone could wear this color. You can use it under more nude shades. You can use it with darker shades and still give your lips just a perfect color. It's nice and creamy. It blends out beautifully if you use a brush. I just love this liner. I love a lot of their liners, and the color selection they have is amazing, but this one in particular is just universal. I use it for almost all my nude lipsticks. I go through them so quickly that I usually buy 2 or 3 when I'm going to the pro store because I love it so much, and it's so pretty, and it looks so dark when you're looking at like the tip of it, but when you put it on, it glides on and it's beautiful. So if you're looking for a really good nude lip liner and want to spend a little bit more money because you know that you're going to get a lot of uses out of it, and the fact that you could use it with a lot of different tones, this is definitely the one for you. The last thing I'm going to be talking about today is from Lipland Cosmetics. I love this brand. I haven't really heard much about them lately. I know that they did some collaborations with some YouTubers, and some of the colors that came out of that collaboration were amazing. And I actually really got into their matte lip crayon formulation because it's just perfect. It's what I have on today. Over Spice from MAC is a Lipland matte crayon in mocha. This color is so good. I freaking love how nude that is. It is so pretty. It's beautiful. It's got so much richness to it. The matte formulation does not dry out my lips. It lasts all day. It stays on. The transfer is very, very minimal for a lipstick, which is crazy because you would think you would need to have a liquid lipstick to kind of get that same texture and not have the transfer, but these stay on so well. They're so good. Another color that I wear consistently and always get asked about, called Bronze Age. It comes in the same package. It is so good, you guys, and they always have sales going on. They aren't crazy expensive, but the packaging is beautiful. You can take it and just put it in your purse. Makes it really, really easy. You're just able to spin up the product. I love how sleek and beautiful the packaging is. It looks so high-end, and it is, because and it works. Like, the product inside is good, the packaging is amazing, but the product inside is so good. So good. I just hope that you guys understand, like, I don't need to have a liquid lipstick to not have transfer. Yes. Like, so good. So good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to see another one of these but drugstore, you let me know in the comments below. Give it a big thumbs up. That'll let me know that you're interested in more videos like this. Also, if you have not, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below and the bell for notifications of upcoming videos. I love you guys so much. Have a wonderful afternoon, and I'll see you in the next one. I'll be right here. Bye.